Welcome, welcome. On the run, come. Mix up. We are do over here this morning, yeah. Yeah. I got mix it up this morning. Mix and blend. So, Missy, Marcia come out, yeah, the other day, the weekend was cussing about glitz and glamour lady. She said she was down by the stream, the river stream, I sing. And the glitzy glamour lady come out and stream her, yeah. She stream her and take picture, mm-hmm, picture of her belly and something. And me don't know if she said she put it out there or what. Me don't understand where the picture went or whatever. Mm-hmm. So no, Marcia wasn't very happy. Yeah, she said the woman take it in a 3D and make her belly look bigger than normal and so on and so on. So me don't know whether the woman said she had belly for Morris or what she said. Yeah, but me couldn't understand it. But anyway, I was thinking to myself, to be fair though, Marcia get a taste of her own medicine. Yeah, because she always had trouble the lady. Both her knee and sort of thing, and how she fat and them something there. So now somebody come out and I say something. No, she don't like it. Mm-hmm. And that me I go say she don't like that. So the next thing me want to say to the tea lady and Maxine at war, yeah, because you know tea lady have one little page round the corner round the bend, and when she ready she do things on her platform, and then she delete it and then she put it down round at the corner on the bend. And Maxine must have see it because me see it where she work up her mouth and um you know I said oh Maxine eat and then thing there, yeah. So she have one little page where she put out little things and take the Mickey out of people and so forth. So Maxine not happy and Maxine come out and of course, yeah. But me know say the weekend the tea lady was talking all kind of something and all I go down memory lane and she cussed Maxine from head to toe, and talk up all kind of something. Yeah, I don't understand it really because the tea lady know um cussing Maxine, cussing all kind of people. Missy she a cuss one other woman too, the one with the big Range Rover too. Missy she a cuss her too. So she yeah, she said that the woman there a big woman old enough to be her mother and all kind of something. But that woman don't look old enough to be tea lady mother. Tea lady and Marcia, two of them. Cause me yes, say Marcia say she a 50 and then she slip up say she a 59. Me don't know if I true or false I hear say. So me I go say, my mother used to say then the people they them register. Then when them all go foreign, so them have two age them have, and me I think say something could have go so for true because them like say them don't know them age because the tea lady is a big woman too with big kids and grand picnic, yeah, grandkids. So you's a big woman, you must act to no age and not to no shoe size, and like that, yeah. Yeah, but she and Maxine is at war. But me no know how what happened me see Gracie look like Maxine come out and no I believe some one of the um fans of somebody one of the followers must have said something and Maxine and I go at the follower and the follower gone over by Gracie now and yeah and then hell broke loose because um she must have said start to talk about this follower and then she threw Gracie in the equation and mention thing what Gracie not like so then cussing go on between a cussing in that Gracie a cuss up on her platform and all that something there. So one piece of casa, going on as usual upon the media social, normal. As me that say, yes, me say no normal at all. When no, there will be no peace on social media, never. But Maxine confused me at time because she has said that she not talk nice about tea lady. Then she was saying about Marcy and the lady down at the shop should do XYZ. Then now she and tea lady bust out a war. She said tea lady lie. Tea lady said she lie. And I one piece of back and forth a go on. So and she 1 minute she loved the lady down at the shop so much. Next minute she said the woman is a liar and all and something then. Yes, something happened before and the lady apologized to her. She said she got it, whatever. And she accept the apology. And I prefer me that say, yeah, something she go over and over because obviously she want to heal. But no, it's been a year long. She'll go over the same thing over and over and over again. I don't get it. Anyway, fine woman done that and she's out.